Are you looking at a house hack? Do you want to know what it is? Well, my name is Milton and I'm the broker of Franklin Realty Consultants. Let me show you what I've done at this home. And this used to be a one-car garage, and a small one at that. And with less than $10,000, let me show you what we've done. And if you're going to house hack, it's important you have enough parking. Expanding the driveway like I did here costs less than $5,000, but it keeps the cars clean and neat and nobody parking on your lawn. And that's how you do it. And one of the best things that we did in this small house was really replace the front door from a wood door that had no panels to a glass door that really brought in the natural light, really making this room bigger. We took out the borders that were separating the dining room from the living room, and the best thing that we did was actually blow this window out completely and incorporated this Florida room, which really is now an entertainment site of the house. It basically added square footage to the home without really doing any extra construction. And one of the best things you can do when you have a small home that's challenged on square footage is really marry the outside with the inside. Here we have a beautiful garden with a little bit of landscaping, which gives you the highest ROI for your bang for your buck, right? We added a hot tub and really a cabana bath that's going to just have everybody hanging out here in the yard. And I'm really proud of this. I got the idea from visiting Casa de Campo in the Dominican Republic. And so here we have a cabana bath that serves for the outdoor space. And last, I'll leave you with one of the most important things in my house hunt is the size of the yard and the distribution. Because with all of this, you have a much larger home that you can enjoy all year long. And all these concepts I put into reality. Let me help you put your property ready for investment or for Airbnb. Call me today.